Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change status of your tasks here in ClickUp. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in ClickUp, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the status of tasks here in ClickUp is a straightforward process that helps to keep track of the progress of your tasks. Now, the first thing is open ClickUp and navigate to the workspace and go to the project or list where your task is located. As you can see, in this case, I am on this specific task. And for me to be able to change the status, you see this one? It's going to be around not to do. As you can see, the status has been changed to do. You can of course change it to in progress, change it to complete. Now it's all up to you. All right, so these are one of the options that you can do to change the status of your tasks here in ClickUp. Now, when you exit this interface, I'm gonna close this window. You see, now if you click on the plus button right here, you can add another column. All right, now here, as you can see, you can click on the text right here to create a custom field, and the field name is going to be something like status. All right, status change. And from here you can put in the description, and that's going to be something like a progress. All right, now I'm going to create that so I would be able to have another column wherein I can see the status here in ClickUp. If I change any of the status here, I would be able to see the reflection here on this side. For example, if I click this one to maybe to a complete, I would be able to have edit status. You see that? Go into mark it as complete. Once I've done that, it would automatically reflect here on this column that we have created. The idea is we are doing this so that we can efficiently manage and update the status of tasks here in ClickUp, ensuring the project and task tracking remains accurate and up to date. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.